Hey folks, for today, how about we take a break from the busy city life and just appreciate nature for a bit? One of the things we see every day are flowers, pleasing to the eye but things we just pass by. Let's talk about a few interesting things about flowers that you may or may not know about. Flowers are the reproductive structure of flowering plants. When insects or birds come to take nectar from a flower, they pollinate it by moving pollen from one flower into another's pistil, which is the female part of the flower. Daffodil bulbs are nothing like onions. Don't let their striking resemblance fool you. Daffodil bulbs are actually highly toxic and should never be used as replacements for onions. Certain flowers only release pollen when they can feel a bee buzzing on them. While you're probably used to sweet-smelling flowers, some flower species can give off repulsive odors. The smelliest flower in the world goes to the Titan arum. The flower smells like a rotting dead body, which explains why it's commonly referred to as the corpse flower. For ancient Egyptians, the lotus is a symbol of resurrection and eternal life. It was considered a sacred flower and used in ancient Egyptians' burial rituals. This is because the flower blooms in damp areas like rivers and wetlands, but it can survive for years during droughts and bloom again when it is watered. Dandelions are often said to represent three celestial bodies. The yellow flower represents the sun, the ball of pollen, the moon, and the white seeds which fly off represent stars. There is an entire language built around flowers. It is called florography. The flowers don't usually represent words, but emotions and feelings. Florists can make talking bouquets to carry encoded messages. So, hope you learned something new. Have a great day, and remember to appreciate nature every now and then.